Hello everyone, this is Muntasir Rahman coming to you again with another crayfish video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting question that is often many beginner or even intermediate crayfish keepers ask. The question is, do crayfish need oxygen in the tank? How do they breathe? Things like that. How do crayfish actually breathe? So the topic is very interesting because crayfish has a very different breathing mechanism than other aquatic fishes or creatures like that. We know fishes absorb oxygen from the water with their gills, right? Crayfishes also have gills, but those gills are a bit different. Let's say much more powerful than normal regular fish's gills. Crayfishes have special gills that allows the crayfish to absorb oxygen even when they are out of water. That's why you will often see crayfishes walking around in a dumpy, mushy area looking for food or looking for another water body or going from one lake to another lake, things like that. If the crayfish gills stay moist, damp, then it can stay out of water for days, even months, and nothing will happen to it. For the crayfish gill to absorb oxygen from the air, it needs to be moist. That's the primary criteria. That's why in dumpy, mushy areas, crayfishes tend to go out of water to look for other foods or other habitats, let's say. So crayfishes need oxygen, okay? Even they need so much oxygen that it is very recommended to keep an air pump open in your crayfish tank 24/7, because what the air pump will do is it will pump out air, and the air will come out through the air stone, and it will disrupt the water level, which will cause surface agitation, and as a result of the surface agitation, more oxygen will get dissolved into the water, which crayfish needs. Now you will have to have a air pump, a air stone, things like that. But if you can't buy a air pump yet, one quick tip is to place some decoration or some stone or wood in the tank so that it reaches the water level. Okay, suppose this is the water level here. So if I kept a crayfish here, I will put the water level up to this mark, and I will place some stones or some wood so that the peak of the stone or the wood reaches the water surface and come out to like this height. This will allow the crayfish to come out of the water if there is any lacking of oxygen in the water. Okay, so this is a quick tip. If you don't do either of these, then it can be very detrimental for the crayfish, and it can drown itself in the water, and it can die for lack of oxygen. So this is very important, especially for beginner crayfish keepers who don't know how crayfish breathing works. So if you are keeping crayfish in your tank, just remember that you need to have an air pump, air stone. If you don't have either of these things running, then keep something in the water keep something in the tank so that the crayfish can get out of the water if it needs to. Also, make sure you have a lid on the tank, because crayfishes are very excellent escape artists and they will escape from the tank. Believe me, I have heard stories from other crayfish keepers that they have found their crayfish 20-30 meters from their tank, just walking around in the drawing room or living room. So this can happen. That's why a lid is very necessary too. So this is how crayfish breathing works. I hope you have found the video very helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you.